Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making tacos. So I'm going to take you guys through my process of making tacos. So first of all we're going to chop some vegetables. So we have a red pepper right here. We have one red pepper and then we have some lettuce. My dad's chopping off a big tomato and we also have some mini tomatoes right here. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I finished chopping everything. So as you can see, I cut everything into small bite-sized pieces. And same thing here with the tomatoes. And the lettuce is right over here. So we got some bigger pieces that you can easily tear up because it's for tacos. So we can just easily tear that up. So this is the taco seasoning we are using. It is the Old El Paso Taco Smart Fiesta seasoning mix. This is really good. I also like the PC Blue Menu ones if you guys tried that. And this one is mixed in with water and then you just add it to the meat after it is cooked. I know a lot of them are different, but this is like the water-based one. So yeah, adding some canola oil. Hello everyone. So right now I'm cooking the meat. I just started a few minutes ago, but it's already getting pretty cooked. I have it on the lowest setting right now because this pan is pretty strong, honestly, since we're cooking outside currently in the backyard, since it's actually really cool. It's cooler. So that there's an update for you. And yeah, I'm just breaking down the meat. I think it's AAA beef, is that right? Okay, my dad just nodded, so yeah, that's right. And yeah, so that's an update right now, and I'll show you guys the rest of the taco toppings later on. Hello everyone, so I think that the meat is pretty well cooked now. I've been cooking it for about 10 minutes I think, on extra high heat, since this is on low, but it's actually went pretty stronger or higher, faster than it would on a stove. So on stove I would recommend going high heat at first, but then switching over to medium as you go. Hello everyone, so we're just about to put in the spice mix. So but first we do need to drain out all the water. So we do this by putting a paper towel right here and just soaking in all that water. So I'm gonna leave this be. And now right over here we have the spice mix that I showed you guys earlier, but it's mixed in water. Let me tell you what that is. 3/4 of a cup. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but that's the measurement. And it's all mixed in and it smells really yummy. So as you can see here, we're just soaking up all the oil just for healthier meat.
Bring that to a boil.
Alright, so here are all the extra ingredients that we are using for tacos. So here for the shells, we are using Casa Mendoza's triple baked tortillas in the tomato flavor. This is actually really better than the plain flavor. It adds more color to it and it also tastes really good. It adds a great, amazing taste to the tacos. And also right here we have sour cream, obviously. And we have some cheese, Tex-Mex by the way. Sour cream. And to add a little twist to the taco, we also have sriracha sauce. Alright, so now let's do a taste test of the taco.
Is that right? Why this thing is okay?
I'm only tasting the bread now, but the bread tastes good. Here's what the inside looks like. Really good taco. The meat has perfect juice to it, and so to the vegetables. The sour cream adding a hint of cream to it. So yeah, be sure to check out this taco recipe or try it out yourself. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more content like this. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.